Papa G. The sun is shining, the rains are gone, and me and the rooster are headed south of the border into South Carolina to check out, you know what, some beautiful trucks at the picnic at the Drive Truck Show, presented by the Upstate South Carolina C10 Truck Club. Come on, let's go. You're looking live from up on the hill overlooking some beautiful Chevrolet and GMC trucks. Over 100 are here and more are rolling in. If you like looking at old cars and classic trucks, be sure to consider subscribing to my channel. I bring you shorts daily and I post a full-length car show every Sunday afternoon. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss an exciting event. I know you can't travel to all of them, neither can I, but I can bring you some that you haven't seen. Now, as they unload this gorgeous truck, I'm going to speed it up for your benefit, and then we're going to start traveling around the showgrounds and checking out all the trucks. I'm here with Melvin. He's got a beautiful 84 square body he's going to tell us about. Melvin, tell us about your truck.
It's an 84 GMC. It's been pretty much redone all over. It's got a 6.0 4L80 cam. It's got a Torque Storm Pro Charger on it. Yeah.
What kind of, you know what kind of horsepower this is turning out?
I'm going to say near stock.
Yep, near stock?
Near stock, yeah.
That's still a lot.
Yeah, it's a little exaggerated from stock.
Yeah.
It's not much.
What about the rims and tires? What do you got here?
Those are intros, 22x9s and 22x12s. The brakes are Willwood 16-inch rotors, 6-piston calipers.
Very nice. Got plenty of stopping power.
Plenty of stopping power.
The paint, how long's that paint been on here?
Paint's been on there about a year now. Yeah,
Very nice.
Pretty new.
And that is that just a silver from Chevrolet or is it GMC?
It is. It's actually a Corvette silver.
Silver,
yep.
Right. And what have we done to the interior? That is not factory.
No, the interior is a mix of TMI and then like factory style reproduction parts that have been wrapped to match the seats. A little bit of suede, a little bit of hydro dipping.
Am I seeing that correctly? Is that the same as the rims on the?
Yeah, steering wheel matches the wheels. Yes, sir.
Wow, that's nice. Good touch. Now, so does that company just do that regularly, or is that something you had somebody make?
The seats?
The steering wheel with the
steering
rim.
wheel. Actually, Intro doesn't make a steering wheel. There's somebody else that is that sells wheels for them.
Yep.
Rio Sounds and Customs out of Texas. They sell the steering wheels.
Wow. Now, what are these pegs back here on the bed? Is that your latches?
Those are just locks for
the. Okay.
Yeah, just locks for the bed cover.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Custom bed cover. That thing's nice.
Yep, that's a Gaylord's bed cover.
Gaylord. Okay. Well, it's a beautiful truck, man, and I appreciate you sharing it with us.
No problem.
Hey y'all, this is Papa G. It's car show season, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, cause I'm posting daily.